In Business Central, dimensions are fundamental to do with the reporting of which is used when transactions make it to the chart of accounts tagged. To simplify this, when we're talking about vendors, we want to actually pre-set up these vendors for success with their dimensional posting. So we're going to go to First Up Consultants, and against First Up Consultants, I'm going to go into Vendor, and I'm going to go Dimensions. Alternatively, more options, Related, Vendor, Dimensions. From here, we can select of all the dimensions that are available. We can select a particular product type. These are all materials, and they are coming from a region which is Area 2. As part of this, if I was now to create a purchase order by going Actions, New Document, Purchase Order, before we even have to enter anything on the purchase order, the dimensions have now flowed through and they're available for the document. Let's go to Order and Dimensions, and you can see here that the dimensions have passed through. And if we were to trace this through as a purchase of furniture, and I'm going to purchase 30 of these, and on this I've got a quantity to receive and a quantity to invoice of 30 and 30, and we're happy with this. Okay, I've put in a vendor invoice and a shipment number. I can actually go posting, receive an invoice, off she goes. This vendor now will have a purchase invoice, but if we look to our chart of accounts, we're going to isolate down to 7-star, which is our costs. Against cost purchase, domestic, I can see here that we have an order that's just been processed just now. Okay, and from this we're going to go Entry, Dimensions. You can see the dimensions have passed all the way through to the general ledger, and that will be available for dimensional reporting. Thank you.